Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm very excited because I have this new drink that I want to show you guys. One of the subscribers below was like, hey, I'm a LA Galaxy fan, can you create a drink in their honor? Me, not really thinking about the side work and everything I have to do, all the scientific methods and everything. I said yes, right away. So I created something, it took me a couple hours to get it all down, just because I was trying to layer something and it's just coming out wrong. I was trying to use orange juice and different things. Don't mix orange juice on this drink. It's very hot and not gonna work out. Very hard, actually, not hot. Instead, you're gonna use blue curacao, orange liqueur, and Bailey's. If you have Grand Marnier, that's a little bit more pricey, but the drink will layer way better. You know, give it a better, bright color, just like this. I was gonna make it with rum, but I feel like the flavor wasn't all there as much as this right here. I just feel like just both of the citruses and one of the cream that's much smoother than with this. This is pricey. This is something you just want to like rest in your palate and sip it on, not just like as a shot. Subscriber, thank you for giving me the challenge. I accepted it. Now, if you're interested, you guys better stay tuned for this shot. It's a little complex, but it is very delicious. First things first, you're gonna use your blue curacao. You guys, another thing, don't go with the pricey one that's 25% alcohol. The blue curacao is going to be more diluted. It's going to be way more alcohol volume, and it's going to be a lot more complex to actually layer the drink. It will have a better flavor on a mixed drink, but on a shot, it's way harder to layer. I learned the hard way. I had to run to Fry's and get the cheap one. I bought an expensive one a long time ago, but it's better if you just go cheap. Something with 15% volume of liquor. So we're going to go about like 1/4 of the way. Next thing you're going to need, it's your Irish cream. Get your spoon, and here we go. Here is the complicated part. Look at my it's fucking shaking. You know? Should I do something like nervous pills? All right, guys, so after you have your 2 layers, the next one, I should put it on this because I do not have a steady hand. My hand goes everywhere. Trust me, I don't know where I'll be here and then start shaking over here, you know? If you're the same way, get yourself one of these. You know, they sell these at Sally's too, to dye your hair. It's one of those. Or you can just get the cooking one from Fry's. That's what I went. Don't ask me how I know that you can get one at Sally's. Long story for another time. Bam. So get your little bar spoon now. Just go slow. You guys, this right here is taking a long time just because I'm using the cheaper stuff. For making drinks that taste the same, actually the flavor is the same as Grand Marnier, but for mixing, again, I tell you guys, go with the cheaper one of these, go with Bailey's for this, and again, go with Grand Marnier with this. For layering, amazing. I'm taking my time with this just because I know anytime this can break the seal and it's You guys, out of all the drinks I have created on this channel and drinks that I have created before, this right here is a very complex drink. You gotta have a steady hand. Again, you guys, buy the original stuff. I went off with this because it's what I had in my drawer. But you guys, invest a little bit more money. Definitely worth it. It looks beautiful, it looks amazing. Your soccer friends are gonna be like, holy shit, what is that? Give me 5. Guarantee you by the end of the night, you're gonna have a little bit of Parkinson. Your hand's gonna be like this, you guys. So I am a little bit still shaking. If you like what you see here, make sure you're subscribing. And for all you new subscribers, thanks a lot. You won't be disappointed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.